My every hope has turned like a rope that's badly cut. Every door I tried is somehow locked or shut. I keep trying hard, but nothing seems to click. I keep asking God why my life is sick. Why everyone I trust is nothing but a fake. Why every step I take is always a mistake. Why my everyday is made of only pain. Why failures, fears and tears keep coming back again.